Hello everybody, welcome to Good Meals, Good Feels, and today we're making the easiest thing I could think of while still having a cooking show, chip dip. I hope you're ready to learn cooking with me, and remember we're always aiming for 3 things with our meals. Make it easy, make it cheap, and make it tasty. And thanks to my lovely partner for this recipe. To begin with, we'll need 4 different colors of pepper. Give those a dice and add them to the bowl. Make sure you get those little seeds out, unless you're into that sort of thing. Next, you'll need 1/2 of 1 medium-sized red onion. Now, because I'm learning right along with you, you'll notice here that I have no idea what I'm doing. So just chop that in half. Yeah, no, not like that. Yeah, no. Well, maybe. Yeah. That'll do it. Come on. There we go. Now dice that onion, and try not to lose a finger. Nice little chunks, the smaller the better. Oh, gotta get rid of that, and that. So here I tried to do a fancy cut that I've seen real chefs do, and I'm pretty sure my knife just wasn't sharp enough for it. That's alright, I tried something new and that's what counts. And you'll also notice here that this is where I made my first mistake. I added way too much onion to the dip. You really only need half an onion, so this mix is strong. This is when I learned why my can opener was so cheap. It's terrible. And if you guys have any good recommendations for can openers, leave in the comments. You might help somebody else. Now add 1 whole can of sweet corn. Make sure to drain and rinse the corn before you put it in. Then give 2 cans of black beans the exact same treatment. Give everything a good mix, and hey, look at that color. That's a nice mix. Now we're on to spices. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne powder, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Now we're done with the dry stuff, so let's move on to my second mistake, adding way too much liquid. I added 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, but you really only need about 1/2 cup, unless you like some oily dip. Hey, you might be into that sort of thing. I'm not here to judge. Then add 7 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Give that another mix, and you're almost ready. Give that a taste. Invite your partner in to taste it with you. And needs a little bit more red wine vinegar. Mix it. Taste it again. She says it needs more salt. You'll notice that she's pouring from the actual salt container instead of the shaker. This is a much better technique than what I did earlier. You should do that. Mix it one more time. Finally, throw your camera into the bowl, and you're all done.